Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at question 71, simplify path. The way we will be approaching this problem is by using a stack and a few conditional statements. So let's jump right in. The first thing we need to do is to actually check if the path is empty or not. If it is empty, you would just return an empty string. Otherwise, you get into the meat of the entire problem. Let's first split the given string into different paths, into different directories. So let's say string array named p is equal to path.split using the delimiter. All right, and then the next thing you need is a stack itself. So let's initialize a stack, and after that, let's get the length. String int n is equal to p.length, and after that you will initialize a for loop to go over each and every directory in the path itself that we split right here on line 11. So let's do that. So for int I equals 0, I less than n, increment I. And you need to check, there are a couple of things that we need to check, right? So we need to check if p of I, if it is equal to 2 dots, that means it has to go one level up. However, before we pop the stack, you also need to check if a stack is empty or not. If it is not empty, you would just pop the stack. Else, what you need to do, there are two other conditions that you need to check. You need to check if p1 dot equals a single dot, and if it is just empty, kind of like this, if there are two like slashes back to back, we don't really need to do anything. So if it's neither of them, what you need to do is you need to push that onto the stack. So you would say stack.push the current element that we are looking at. Alright, so once all of this computation is done, we have a clean path in front of us. The last step that's left is to actually string it together. So we can actually use a built-in method to do that. So you would have a slash in the beginning, and then after that you need to add all of the elements that are in the stack itself. So there's a method called string.join that we can use to our advantage. So we'll say string.join, the delimiter that you would be using is a slash, and the elements that you are looking at are in the stack. So once you do that, let's quickly compile this and see if it's okay. We see that the first test case is okay and it compiles okay. Let's look at everything else. It passes as well. Awesome. So this is how you solve a problem. If there are any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If there are any other questions that you want me to solve on LeetCode, also please let me know in the comments below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. See you all in the next video. Peace.